Now, in his very poetic language, Parmenides distinguishes two ways or two roads of inquiry. What are the two ways? The way of truth, and the second one, the way of seeming. He argues against the way of seeming because the path is wholly unlearnable. Sometimes it sounds like he's saying it's impossible. And he argues in favor of the way of truth. Now let's take a look at parts of the text. Come, I shall tell you what roots of inquiry alone there are for thinking. The one, that it is, and that it cannot not be, is the path of persuasion, for it attends upon truth. The other, it is not, and that it needs must not be. That I point out to you to be the path wholly unlearnable, for you could not know that which is not, for that is not feasible, nor can you point it out. So the one, it is, or you notice the it is in square brackets from our translation. The idea is, I guess, that the it is not something that's contained in Greek, but for us to understand in English, the translator has put that in. Let's go on and take a look at another fragment, next fragment. Because the same thing is there for thinking and for being. On to fragment 6. It must be that what is there for speaking and thinking of is. That is the is, existence. Whatever we're speaking about and thinking about is. Then finally in fragment 8, a single story of a root still is left, that it is. So now we know exactly what Parmenides' view. I guess we're all scratching our heads. Maybe you're gonna, don't scratch too hard, you're gonna look like me after a while, with no hair. It's very bizarre. Now there is an argument there, and it's going to take a little bit to dig it out.